Hi everyone, this is Sarah with Powertrain Products. I am back with another episode of Tech Talk. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about GM vehicles and the difference between a classic body style and a new body style. So basically GM implements the classic body style category anytime where there is a transition in body style. So this happened in '99 and again in 2007. So if you have a 2007 Chevy Silverado Classic, the internals such as the engine and possibly the transmission are going to be different than it would be in a Chevy Silverado. I do have a perfect example of that here in front of me. I have a 5.3 liter high output all aluminum block. This was only found in the VIN B engines in the Chevy Silverado Classics. So a lot of times we need to know whether or not you have the classic or the new body style. So there are several ways that you can tell the difference between the two. A lot of times if you do have your VIN number, we are able to tell with our VIN decoding software. However, if you don't have your VIN number available, you can tell just by looking at your vehicle. So the classic body style trucks are going to have headlights that are actually two-piece headlights. The grille bar is going to go across the front of the truck and it will separate the headlight into two pieces. The regular new body style vehicles are going to have a square one-piece headlight. You can also tell by the tailgate. The 2007 Silverado Classics are going to say Chevrolet across the tailgate, whereas the regular will just have the bow tie emblem on the back. So we do need to know which of the models you have for quoting purposes. If you do have any questions about this, give us a call. The number is 888-842-0023, or you can visit us at powertrainproducts.net.